Hi guys, I just wanted to show you really quickly how to access your articles via Blackboard. Um, so for this personality paper, you will need to select a few articles, read them, and then compare and contrast them. So I want to review how you're going to access them. So I want you to log in to your course. You're going to come to your home page. You're going to scroll all the way down this left side taskbar and you're going to hit reserved articles. You're going to go into personality articles and you're going to click on personality, relationships, and health, or agreeableness, or personality, or narcissism. You're going to pick a couple of these. I need to go back to the assignment to see how many I asked you to do. I believe I asked you to compare two. Anyway, you're going to select one. You're going to click on the black link, and it should download to your taskbar. I had one person say he didn't know how to access them, so I'm not sure if he accessed them this way, but I want you to try that for me and let me know if that works. It is downloading for me. It just comes all the way down into my downloads, and then you open it up for your downloads. There's the article right there. So it looks like it's working. I believe they should all be working. Yep, they're all downloading. Okay, so make sure you give that a try. Let's go back to the assignment real quick. Now here's the rubric for the paper, and here's the actual prompt itself. So when you open up the prompt, sorry, that's homeschool stuff for my 5-year-old. You're going to open it up. It's going to tell you exactly how to write it. Okay, so the first step is to complete your little personality test. That's for the second half of the paper. And then step 2 is to choose 2 articles from Blackboard, which I just showed you how to access. And you're going to read them. You're going to go back through them. You're going to highlight major findings. You're going to compare the articles to each other. Do they contradict one another? Do they agree on the topic? Now this is the first half of the paper is an academic style paper, so we're not going to have any personal pronouns, no I's, we's, I think, I believe. You are purely talking about what these authors are finding. So ways you can transition to talk about that is by saying the following article introduces blah, 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 or these authors state da, 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 da. You know, you don't need to be using what you think, what you find, those personal pronouns. You need to be paraphrasing the ideas of these two, or however many authors wrote these two articles, okay? Now, in the second half of the paper, here's where you can use your beliefs. This is the personal section. I want you to discuss the results of your tests very, very briefly. Do not make that the entire 2 pages. I've had a few students literally copy and paste the results of their NeoPie. Please do not do that. Very briefly say, this is what my test found. That can be a little paragraph. Then I want you to discuss your insights, surprises, information that you gleaned from it. After you read the article, did the articles bring up any thoughts about your own life, your own personality, your own goals? That's what I'm interested in. I'm not interested in the entire test that you took. Okay, I want to hear about your test, but I really want to hear about your ideas and your thoughts. Okay, so please head into Blackboard and try and access those. After you write your entire paper, after you've edited it in Word or Pages or whatever software you're using, you want to go into this Turn It In tab, okay? You're going to hit View or Complete. And then you're going to start uploading, okay? You're going to put your first, last name, the title of your paper, and then you're going to upload it. Okay, and then you hit upload. That's how you submit your paper. Please do not email me your papers, guys. There's this void in my inbox where everyone's papers go to die. I I don't know. You have got to submit it correctly through here because this is what the college wants me to use to grade your papers, okay? So please let me know if you have any trouble accessing. Remember, it's down here in reserved articles. Okay, so get started if you haven't already and let me know how it goes. Thanks.